in between there. Sometimes it pays to be a hoarder like me. I think I might get lucky here. Should share the same accelerator pump diaphragm as the one that's going on the bus. So, it seems to be in workable condition. It's got a thicker gasket than this new one did. This new one kind of had this weird flimsy 2-ply thing. I don't know how I feel about that, so we'll put this one in. It's a thicker gasket. See if that helps out. If not, then it means that one of these isn't level. You know, when those made up like that, which it kind of looks that way. I don't know if you can see it on camera. It kind of looks like it's bowed out. But we'll find out when we put this on. More fuel in it, so now we'll see. And it looks like it's still dripping out of there. A little bit, not as bad. It's not squirting out like it was, but still. I'm just gonna file it. You know, luckily you can kind of see where the high spots are, where it's shinier. I'm gonna get it all level. I'm gonna do the same on the accelerator pump. Take the whole thing apart, throw it back into the ultrasonic cleaner for about 10 minutes, and then we'll go from there. Hand's getting tired. So that looks pretty good. It's all uniform now, except for that little outside edge, which I think that'll be okay. Alright. The little pump housing itself looks pretty level, so I'll just throw these in the ultrasonic cleaner for about 10-15 minutes and throw it all back together. It's rebuilt, that's filed, it looks a lot better visually. So I primed it again, filled up the bowl with fuel. Squirting out the bottom like it should, but nothing on the accelerator pump, so I think that problem is solved.